Welcome to the final section of this technical module. Let's take a few minutes to recap what we've covered and reflect on the architecture that powers the PISTIS wallet ecosystem. We started by introducing distributed ledger technologies and their role in building trust, transparency, and decentralization. We then explained why we chose an EVM-compatible ledger, Hyperledger, instead of alternatives like IOTA or Fabric. Next, we explored the modular architecture, built around the identity wallet, the smart contract execution engine, and the distributed ledger backend. Finally, we examined the wallet itself, a stateless, privacy-preserving, cryptographic solution designed for secure and efficient interactions. Here are the key takeaways from this module. Distributed ledger technology enables tamper-proof and cross-organizational auditability. The Ethereum virtual machine provides a secure and flexible environment for smart contract execution. The smart contract execution engine manages all blockchain interactions. The Data Factory User Wallet, or DFUW, serves as a lightweight and secure identity management tool. And finally, all monetary logic is intentionally handled outside this scope to maintain separation and focus. What makes this system unique is its deliberate and minimal interaction design. The wallet never communicates directly with the blockchain. Only the smart contract execution engine does. The monetary wallet operates independently and has no connection to user identities. Despite these clear boundaries, every action in the system remains verifiable, traceable, and securely logged without exposing any sensitive information. From a development perspective, using the EVM ecosystem significantly accelerated progress. Separating functional domains improved testing and made regulatory compliance more transparent. Storing metadata on-chain proved to be an effective approach for maintaining verifiable accountability. And the stateless architecture of the wallet simplified front-end integration, making it faster and easier to maintain over time. Thank you for following along with this technical module. For more information, you can explore the official documentation, review the smart contract definitions, or contact our team. We hope this walkthrough has provided a clear understanding of how the PISTIS wallet ecosystem is designed and why it works the way it does.